In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SEO-friendly URLs in Webflow. If you're keen on improving your website's visibility on search engines, crafting clean and efficient URLs is a great place to start. So let's dive right into the process and make your URLs work better for SEO. The first step is to head over to Webflow's homepage. If you're new to Webflow, it's a powerful visual website builder that lets you create custom websites with ease. Once you're familiar with the layout, you can go ahead and click the Login button. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up first. Otherwise, enter your credentials and proceed to your Webflow dashboard. With access to your Webflow dashboard, you now want to select the project you wish to optimize. You'll see a list of your projects and just click on the one where you need to tweak the URLs. This will take you to the project's workspace, where all the magic happens. From the project's workspace, your next move is to click on Pages in the left-hand menu. In the Pages section, you'll find all the pages associated with your project. Here's an insider tip. Organizing your pages neatly not only helps in managing them, but also makes it easier for search engines to navigate through your site. Once you're in the Pages section, look for the General settings. This is the section where you can edit details about each page, including SEO settings, which is key to our task today. Click into General, then proceed until you find Slug. Now, a slug in Webflow is essentially a part of the URL that appears after the domain name. It's crucial for identifying what the page is about, both for users and search engines. When you arrive at the Slug section, you'll be crafting your clean URL. To create an effective SEO-friendly slug, keep it short, descriptive, and free of unnecessary words or symbols. For instance, if your page is about organic gardening tips, a slug like Organic Gardening Tips makes more sense to both humans and search engines than something like Page 1 or Default. Avoid employing special characters or overly complex words, as simplicity is key. Enter your crafted slug into the field provided, and you'll notice how it instantly updates the URL. This real-time demonstration is one of the advantages of using Webflow. The changes are visible right away, confirming that your SEO-friendly URL is in place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully optimized your Webflow site's URLs for better SEO performance. Always remember, the cleaner and more descriptive your URLs, the easier it is for search engines to understand and rank your pages accordingly. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!